Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. In today's Instagram video tutorial, I want to show you how to unmute posts on Instagram. So before starting the process, I would like to ask, please subscribe my YouTube channel and also give a like on this video. So first you just need to open your Instagram app that you have installed. So here guys, I want to first mute the specific post of my Instagram followers. So right now, for example, this is the post of my friend, and now I want to simply tap on the three lines, and here you will find guys the mute option. So simply tap on the mute, and here you will find guys the mute post option. So now simply tap on the mute, and here you can see I have mute the specific post. So now if you want to unmute the posts on Instagram, so simply tap on your profile. Now you will find the three lines on the top right side of the screen. Tap on the three lines, then tap on the settings. So here simply tap on the privacy, scroll down. So here you will find guys the muted accounts option. So simply tap on the muted account, and here you can see I have already muted a few posts as well as the stories. Now first open their profile, and here you will find guys the following tab, and you can see there is a little spin button on a following tab option. So simply tap on the little spin button, and here you can see the mute post. So right now I have mute only the post, so simply tap on the post, and here you can simply switch off the toggle button of your mute post. So simply switch off the button, and now here you can see the post is successfully unmuted. So I can easily see his posts after disabling this option. So as you can see, there's no any mute story or post on this account. So this is very simple and easiest way to unmute the posts on Instagram. So I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you want to get the more videos regarding Instagram, so you just need to subscribe my YouTube channel for more latest videos. Thank you so much for watching.